Hi you guys, today's video is going to be a clean with me. So if you are interested in some cleaning motivation, then just keep on watching. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. For those of you who are new here, I love all things beautiful and I do lifestyle and homemaking here on this channel, and that's my 2-year-old son running in the background if you hear the pitter patter of feet. So if you are interested in mom life, homemaking, lifestyle, all of the above, click the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. Hi cutie. There's just a few simple things that I need to do in the kitchen today. I need to put up these dishes in the dishwasher. That's my son's dinner. We just grabbed a quick bite. He wasn't hungry though, so I need to put that away. But another thing I've been wanting to change out in this kitchen is this situation right here. Yes guys, this is my trash can and a box of recyclables because I do recycle, but guys, this situation right here is just like, it's just, I don't know, it's not me, and I want to clean this out, get rid of the clutter. I want something sleek, something beautiful. At first I was thinking about putting like a wreath here and a rod, dressing it up really nice, like something you would see on Pinterest. I did get some new cleaning product in that I wanted to display right here, but I decided in the end not to do that because instead I'm going to switch out this situation for a new trash can. Originally I wanted to put a trash can in this cabinet, but as you can see, I do not have a lot of kitchen cabinetry. So the last thing I want to do is waste space using this cabinet for a trash can. So I am going to keep a trash can right here. So I'm going to clear out this clutter. Some of the cleaning product that I want to display here, I am instead going to display it here. I was thinking about doing it in the pantry, but of course if I open up my pantry, I have one of these, so I can't move that. Right now, to get my kitchen looking more sleek and more beautiful, is change this situation out. So I'm going to do that right now. This is the new updated trash can. I've wanted a stainless steel trash can, guys, over 10 years. And I've never gotten it. I've always just had the simple Walmart trash can that I've used for a decade. But now I'm finally upgrading to something sleek that matches all of my appliances. And I did go with the rose gold because rose gold is one of my favorite metals. You will see it throughout my house because just little hints of it here and there. Everyone who knows me knows I love rose gold, and the rose gold one does have, you know, just regular stainless accents as well, so it will still work. You'll start to see rose gold incorporated a little bit more into the kitchen, and I actually got this on a good sale, so I'm gonna go just switch this out for this.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all.
So they did include some of the liners with it. I saw the reviews say that you do not have to use these. Since they included these, I am going to use these. But this is the beautiful trash can. I feel like you know that it's rose gold when you look at it, but it's not so overwhelmingly pink. It is one of those foot pedestals. You get recycle and regular trash, and then it has a hole in the back for bags to go through, so that you could just pull in a new bag. Come around this back side of it, stick those in there, and then when I lifted, I could pull one out. And they're durable.
How could I know there was no second chance?
This is the new situation. I have recycle here, trash here. The recycle, you can put a bag in there, but you don't need to. You can pull it out and empty your recycle bin.
Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now
the other really cool thing that I wanted to show you guys was this set that I got from Jaws. This is a really cool cleaning set. One's for granite, one's for glass. They have hardwood, shower, kitchen, disinfectant, which is great because you know disinfectant's really hard to find right now. And then also they have a bathroom one that they just released, different from the shower, does suds. That one hasn't come in yet. I couldn't believe the price of this set, guys. If you are interested in this set and how much it costs and a coupon code for it, then let me know in the comments below. The really cool thing about this set, if you notice, all of these bottles are empty. They send you the bottle and then they send you these little pods. You fill your bottle up with water, you put your pod in that release the solution into the water, and that is what you use to clean. You have a second refill ready to go. You can just buy the refills to refill them back up. You never have to buy another bottle, which is very eco-friendly. You can find this at Home Depot, although I ordered it online. I would recommend ordering them online through Jaws' website with the coupon code, because you're going to get a much better deal on the set than you would if you bought each individual set at Home Depot. So just a little tidbit right there. But I'm going to go ahead and fill these up. I love how they look. They included all of these microfiber towels to go along with them in the colors of each bottle, which is so cool. I mean, who doesn't love microfiber towels to clean with?
Since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
Fill up the bottle to the water line that they have on here. Insert the pod into the neck of the bottle. And there's the water line. You can see where I filled it up. Insert the sprayer into the neck of the bottle. It says tighten the sprayer to release. Oh wow, there it goes. This one's gray, so I'm not sure if you can really see, but the water definitely did get darker. They have scents on these too. This one smells like cucumber basil. Then the blue one, which is for glass, it doesn't have a smell. The green one, which is for hardwood, smells like lemon lime. And then the purple one, which is for the shower, citrus floral. The orange one, which is just kitchen cleaner, smells like orange cinnamon. And then the yellow one, which is disinfected, smells like lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaning using these cleaners.
Can't undo what I've done, completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know?
It does look cluttered, but I love the rainbow. Obviously won't keep them stored like this, but for now, this is how I'm gonna be storing them. And they also included like a 7th cloth. I'm not exactly sure what this one is. It's not a microfiber towel. Maybe it's for polishing or something. If you guys know what type of cloth this is for, let me know. Maybe it's like some type of finishing cloth for glass or mirror, like to come back over after you finish the microfiber.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures.
So that's going to be it for this clean with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to leave some videos on the screen for you to check out for more homemaking content. Again, if you are new here, please consider subscribing, hitting that red subscribe button below, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.